Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the month of June and how it will move in the month of July, okay, or in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas is moving in this zone for quite some time, a zone of $3 and a zone of $2, okay, where the price of natural gas is moving for quite some time. For this particular month we have seen that it is trying to go upside, as we have seen a green candle is forming. Okay, previously what it was, a full month we have seen it is forming a red candle, okay, and it is quite volatile till the time it is sustaining below a level of $3 and $2. We will say it will be in the zone market, okay, till the time it is, if it crosses the level of $3, then only we can see it can go further upside. Okay, a probability is very high it can go further upside, because if you look at a weekly chart you can understand here is the opposite cup pattern, U pattern is forming, and chances was very high. I have already explained you at a level of $2.4. if the price sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $2.8 and then further upside if the price sustain that level. And yes, chances are very high because it has crossed a 2-month high, okay, 3-month high you can say for this particular month and previously 2 months, and chances are very high it can cross that particular zone. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the month of July, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high yes it can sustain and can go towards a level of $2.839, which is trading at a level of 2.820, and if that level sustained, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching the level of $3.066 is there. Okay, now once the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of going, because that level is already being tested here, okay, so the resistance is already weak, okay, so chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $3.198, and if that level goes further high, then chances of touching a level of around 3.406 is there. Okay, 3.406 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can touch that particular zone and can touch a level of $3.528. Okay, now if the price move above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.784, and if the price move above that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $4.14. okay, understand something that once the price move above a level of $3.380, because that is already being tested here, so keep it in mind, once started moving above $3, chances of touching 3.3 is there, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 3.7. From there a bounce back can come, but if that level sustain, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 4.415. After a level of 3.8, chances of touching 4.415 is there, and there is a gap theory, so chances of touching a level of 4.35 is there, because that this gap is a probability that it can fill at this particular zone. So once started sustaining, because once started sustaining, there's chance of touching 4.15 is there, and once it's touched this level, it can cross that particular zone and fill this gap. So probability of going further upside will be there, and we can see it can touch a level of 4.5, and if the price sustain that level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and if the price move above a level of $4, I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. Okay, now you have to understand something, that this particular level, okay, a level of around 2.79 is a strong support as of now. So if the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, probability is very high bounce back can come. Okay, but if the level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of $2.777, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.596. okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, because $2.79 is a support, once its price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.596. if the price fall below that particular level, chances are very high it can move further low, and probability of touching a level of 2.281 is there. Keep it in mind, once started falling below $2.596, chance of touching $2.8281 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $2.10. Okay, and if the price will fall below this particular level, we can see it can cross a level of $2.078, which is already being a weak support, so chances of going further low will be there. And then we can see level of $1.193, and if the price move below this particular level, chances of going towards a level of 1.780 is there. Okay, if the price fall below $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go, and probability is very high. You can check my next month videos, okay, or I'll make another videos explaining you where it can go, but probability is very high it will come in the zone as soon as it break a $2 zone. Okay, and a probability of touching 1.7820 to a level of 1.5 also we can see. Okay, if the price fall below 1.9, and chances of going towards a level of 1.630 is there, and then further low if the price didn't sustain this level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me up. So you have to understand, always set your SL for a particular trade, okay, so that your capital can be saved. Always trail your SL so your profit can be saved. Okay, and always set a limit for a particular day, for a particular week and month, so that your capital can be saved as well as your profit, so that if you're trading some, see, suppose if you're trading and you think that this particular trade can give you good returns, so you should have that capital. Otherwise, if you're not saving the capital, you will lose your all money. That is the main thing. Okay, so I teach how to do that systematically, how to trade psychologically. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,